This is the 4 wireless cameras with NVR box. This allows you to have your 4 cameras connect to this NVR box wirelessly, and the footage is saved onto a hard drive inside the NVR box. Let's have a quick look at the manual. Comes with cable join covers and wall plugs and screws and an Allen key to adjust the cameras. This setup allows you to have all 4 cameras connected to the same app. You can connect the NVR box to a monitor in the house to view the cameras, or you can view the cameras on your mobile phone using the IP Pro app. You can click on what camera you want to get a full view of that camera. You can also pinch on the image to zoom in if you want to. You can jump between images, and you can view these cameras during the day or at night time. I use these cameras indoors and outdoors. You'll need power to these cameras, but the network is wireless. That's why we have an antenna on the back of the cameras. Once you power them on, they connect straight away. Now I'll show you what the cameras look like at night time using the infrared. Here I'm only using 3 of my cameras. You can click on the image to take up full screen. On the app you'll just double tap on the screen. On the NVR box you have a mouse, which you can just double click on the image using a monitor, and it will also zoom in on that screen to give you a full picture. You can also buy power extension cables for these cameras if the power lead that comes with does not reach, for 5 meters, 10 meters and so on. This is a 12V DC power extension cable. Links will be in the description below. I've been using these cameras for more than 2 years and they're still going well. You can play back the footage on your phone app or on the NVR box, but I find the footage on the app to be laggy and hard to view, so I prefer to watch the footage on an NVR box by using the mouse and watching on a bigger screen. There's many different makes and models of the 4 cameras with an NVR box, but this is the kind of thing you're looking at. Make sure when buying this setup it comes with a hard drive already inside the NVR box. That way you don't have to buy one separately and try and install it yourself. Just something to double check when you're looking into buying. Thanks for watching.